Now we're going to look at adding media to a WordPress post. And this works in the same way as adding any type of media to a page as well. So by media, I mean either images or video or audio. So if you're running a podcast, for example, on your WordPress site, it would be adding audio. Now, you do this by first selecting where you want that media to appear. So if I want the picture to appear, say the top left of the post here, I'll click my cursor to there, and then I'll click the Add Media button. And the Add Media dialog pops up here. There's a few different ways to do it. You can actually just drag and drop files straight in here. So if you have your My Documents open, say, you can drag stuff straight over onto this window and it will upload. Otherwise, you can select files. So I just find the image that I want to add to the post. Let's say that one there. Click Open, and it will then upload that image. There's a few things worth adding in, so it's good to give your image a title. So this one is, let's say, a mountain bike. You can give it a caption. Blue mountain bike. Alt text, that's really good to add in because it describes that image to anyone who can't actually see it. So if you have some visually impaired users, for example, using screen readers, then it'll read this out instead. So you just describe what the image is. Blue mountain bike. Okay, and to insert it into the post, there's a few options here. So attachment display settings at the bottom here. So we're going to align it to the left. I'm going to link to the media file itself, and I'm going to choose, you can go either thumbnail, which is very small, medium, so a decent size image, or full size. I'm going to go for medium and click insert into post. And you can see that that inserts it into the post, aligned to the left with the caption right below it. And if I click update, then go to view the post, and you can see that that picture has been added in just where you wanted it. If I go back to edit the post, one final thing is to look at the featured images. Now, many themes will draw out a featured image to show alongside a post title, for example, or plugins can use featured image to show a picture from that image alongside the title and a little excerpt to try and persuade people to read the post. So it's good to set a feature image, and it's used in a very similar way. But instead of the upload file dialog, which is like this, the one we just saw, if you click the media library, then that shows you pictures that you've uploaded in the past, and you can simply select the one that you want to add and click set featured image. Similarly, if you have uploaded pictures in the past and you want to add them in, if you go back to the add media, then it shows you the media library by default, so you can go back and add any of the previous ones. And the last thing worth mentioning here is that you can insert from a URL. So if you have found a picture on the web anywhere else and you want to link straight to that image as opposed to uploading it directly to your site, you can insert from a URL, and all you need to do is find the web address of that picture and then type it in there, and then you can insert it into the post. So that is how to use the Add Media button to add media to your posts.